Hello student, in this video I am going to start the next topic, that is atomic size in terms of atomic radius. The size of atom is indicated in terms of radius of the atom, that is the distance between the center of nucleus. So student, the distance between the center of nucleus to the outermost shell of the atom is known as atomic radius. This is the outermost shell of an atom. This one is a positively charged nucleus. So the distance between this one is radius. Okay. So student, the atomic size of an atom depends on few more factors. These factors: nuclear charge, okay, it is the positive charge of an atom present in the nucleus. It is equals to, okay, this one is equals to the number of protons present in the nucleus. As the nuclear charge increases, the atomic size decreases, because reason क्या हो जाएगा, because the electrons in the outermost shell, are attracted with the greater force. Okay, they will be attracted with the greater force, and hence structure become smaller. Means the electrons in the outermost shell are attracted with greater force, which brings the outermost shell closer, okay, closer to the nucleus, and thus the atomic size decreases. Means by increasing the nuclear charge, the atomic size of an atom will decreases. All right. Next factor is number of shells. As we know, key number of shells, as we increase the number of shells, the atomic size will automatically increases. So atomic size is inversely proportional to nuclear charge and directly proportional to the number of shells. All right. So student, what is the effect of atomic size while moving across a period? The atomic radii gradually decreases as one moves from left to right, okay, from left to right in a given period. So when we move left to right in a given period, the atomic size decreases due to addition of one proton, and thus it will increase the nuclear charge. And student, as we know that atomic size is inversely proportional to nuclear charge, so if the nuclear charge increases, it will make the atomic size decrease. Okay, so when we are moving across a period, the predator is having a bigger size compared to its successor, whereas one exception is there. As we know, in every period the last elements are noble gases, and as we already know that noble gases are having octet or duplet structure completed, so that is why the nuclear charge compared to their predecessor is lesser, and just because of this reason the noble gases are having bigger structure, big in size compared to their predecessor. For example, in group second, if we are moving from left to right, there are lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. Okay, so while moving left to right in a period, the nuclear charge is decreasing. Okay, while the atomic size, sorry student, the nuclear charge increases, so the atomic size decreases. Means lithium is having bigger structure compared to beryllium, beryllium is having bigger structure compared to boron, boron is having bigger structure compared to carbon, carbon is having bigger structure compared to nitrogen, nitrogen is having bigger structure compared to oxygen, and oxygen is having bigger structure than fluorine, and the last element in this second period is neon. Okay, so according to this theory, neon must be having a smallest structure. Means if we compare fluorine and neon, the neon is having a smaller structure, but it is wrong. Okay, this one is exception. As we know, the last element are noble gases, and these noble gases are having, they have already completed their octet and duplet structure. That is why they are having less nuclear charge compared to their predecessor and having bigger structure compared to their predecessor. All right, students, while moving down the group, okay, while moving down the group, as we know, the shell number increases means the size of atoms increases progressively as one moves from top to the bottom in a group. What is the reason behind this? Because with the change in period, the new element in the group adds an extra shell of electrons. Means if one element, first element in a group is having one shell, then the second element must have two shells and the third element must have three shells. So that is why while moving down the group, the atomic size increases and the nuclear charge decreases. Okay, the nuclear charge decreases, the atomic size increases, it will make the nuclear charge decreases. So because of decrease in nuclear charge, the atomic size increases while moving down a group. Alright students.